Hey everyone. So today I'm going to be making this video and I'm going to be talking about how you can fast track your online business success in just 3 days. I came across this amazing program which is called as a 72-hour challenge where you can start your online business in just 72 hours or less. This is the website. This is the landing page, and just to let you know that this person, his name is Jonathan Montoya. He's a six-figure entrepreneur, 6 or 7 figure entrepreneur. So he's also a mentor. So what you can do is you can just put in your details, your first name, last name. So let me just test it out for you guys. So get access now. All right, so here's the main page. So you can see that there's a video page over here. Once you sign up, it's you just need to put in your first name, your email, and so you have the video page over here. Then you can see that here's what you'll be getting. So you'll have like three phases: the Freedom Roadmap, the automated sales system, and of course, phase three is launching your online business. So you can see that there are a lot of testimonials over here. A lot of people, they're making a lot of money out of this program. Setting up an online business in under 72 hours, and you can just put in your details. So you can watch the video over here, and you can get instant access over here. So if you go to step two. All right, so the 72-hour challenge, it's a one-time payment for $9. And so basically you're going to have a lot of video series, hosted by Jonathan Montoya. And he's going to, so I believe that there are going to be 3 days course modules. And, he's going to show you how to set up this online business. So it's just for $9. I highly recommend you check this out, and this is how you can launch a successful online business in just 3 days. If you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.